tongue. I mean, how poetic is that? I love that.
Such a vibrant song.
It's a super fun song.
This is going to be your Ek Do Teen.
बहुत catchy है.
These are the kind of songs where you are at a party at 2 o'clock in the morning and this kind of song comes on and you forget what is happening and you just go into doing party.
It's one of those songs that you just have to get up and dance to.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था.
It was equally fun to shoot.
तूने मारी एंट्री का hook step was Bosco has said is outstanding because it's the easiest that any layman can do it at any given point. तूने मारी एंट्रियां से नोक झोंक वाले गानों की शुरुआत हो गई. अब आने वाली पिक्चरों में आप नोक झोंक वाले गाने सुनेंगे.
हमने बप्पी राज को रिकॉर्ड किया यहाँ पे. अली वाज आल्सो देयर, तो हमने सोचा कि इनको तूने मारी एंट्रियाँ सुनाते हैं. ही हर्ड एंड ही इंस्टेंटली लव्ड इट. बट उन्होंने बोला कि अगर इसमें थोड़ा सा बॉन्ग फ्लेवर आ जाए, सो ही केम अप विद एशोना एशोना
Oshona. It's a marvelous wording.
There's one move which is going to be the move that is created by this man. Can you please show us that move? 1, 2, 3, yeah! 1, 2, 3.
The whole dressing up in the Bengali bride and all that was really amazing. But actually dancing in it was a lot of fun. I kept tripping on my sari.
Because she was there, I think sometimes I used to stamp on her legs. Sometimes she used to get, her sari used to get stuck under Ranveer's legs.
Taking, let's go.
There was so much going on. उसमें भागम दौड़ी, उसमें से सीढ़ियों से नीचे आना, उसमें से डांस करना, कोई स्लिप हो रहा है, कोई गिर रहा है और मैं बोल रही हूँ नहीं, and हाई स्पीड में. It's a cracked shot. It's just mad.
दो लोगों में क्या होता है? You can discuss with each other and you can manipulate each other's moves. It's a lot easier. With 3 people, the dynamics change a little bit.
I think Ranveer and Arjun only know how to फैलाओ. जो उनकी भड़ास थी ना, उमड़ के एक्टिंग बाहर निकल के आती है उनकी, वो सब इस गाने में निकल गई. कि हम हीरो हैं और हम लड़की के पीछे जा रहे हैं और हम उसको परेशान कर रहे हैं और हम उसको इम्प्रेस कर रहे हैं, और वो सारी बातें निकल के आ गई. भर के एक्टिंग बाहर आई इस गाने में.
The surface on which you're dancing is very, very important. This is what I learned during Tune Mari entry. Sometimes you have to go bare feet and it's really hot, like in Dakshineshwar.
मंदिर में obviously जूते पहन के या चप्पल पहन के जा नहीं सकते थे. But about 11 o'clock the heat used to start hitting the feet. या तो आपके तलवे जलने लगते.
The flow was so hot. So you'll see that the dance moves are all jumping moves over there.
When the surface changes, when you have to do it in bamboos and all, it's a different ball game altogether.
Bosco, of course, is mad. Whenever you're shooting with him, it'll just be fabulous and fun.
He comes up with most of the stuff on the spot.
Right balance of perfection and madness is where the strength of both these boys come from.
Doing the song was just every time everyone was dancing, that, you know, everybody around, even behind the camera, people were dancing.
It was like being at a carnival. It was like a party.
हमने काम किया ही नहीं इस गाने में, हमने बस मस्ती की.
I think that's one word that's definitive of this song is fun.